What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, start my new YouTube channel. This old DOS Geek is going to teach you some old tricks and how to do it the new way. Not bad. 1 month, got it going. Got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of very nice people contacting me and asking me questions. I wish you'd like and subscribe, you know, and maybe share this. I got my new website here going on, rwcweb.com. Want to sign up, get on my email list. I show you a lot of great stuff. Okay, just wanted to go over a couple things today. What you should be prepared for when you start all this stuff out. It's all very exciting and confusing at once, you know, when you start out. Okay, you know, you're going to be getting a lot of information overload. Okay, this is what you're going to be getting. You're going to get a lot of it, and you're going to be signing up to things, and you're going to be downloading stuff, and you're going to be making stuff, and you're going to collect a lot of digital dust. Okay, so be organized. Back up your stuff, of course, always. That goes without say, okay? And, you know, don't get discouraged. It takes time. It takes time. I mean, unless you got a lot of money to dump into it, a lot of these gurus don't tell you is, you know, basically, what they don't tell you is, some of them started out in a great job, making 150, 200,000 a year, regardless of the profession. Okay, that's how they started out, and you know, they dumped a lot of money into this. They outsource a lot of it, you know. So that's one way to do it, of course, and you can get ahead very quickly doing that, you know. In the beginning, the mistakes I made is, you know, not creating. See if I could do this. I don't know where my pen went. Okay. That should be an N, right? Looks like an N. Your own product. Okay. I can't stress it enough. That's a D. Okay, your own product, gang. You need your own product. Okay, and like I showed you with the reseller rights, there's a lot you could do with it. I'm going to be going over a lot of that in my upcoming videos. Okay, so again, if you want to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will let you know when my videos come out. Okay. This thing on. Alright, so now what you want to do first when you do this stuff, okay? Let me do it this way, sorry. What you want to do first, okay, is you want to have your lead capture page, of course, okay? Maybe a video, some kind of opt-in, okay? That's your lead capture page. Whoops. Okay, lead capture page, and what that's going to do is that's going to take you to, probably should have pre-formatted this. Okay, you're going to get their emails, then it's going to take you to either your affiliate product, okay, or your own product would be good. Okay, but this second page, you know, you're going to want to, you know, you're going to want to try and upsell them something. Okay, maybe this could be for $1, maybe this could be for $2. Okay, you know, and what you're going to want to do is basically, let me get that crap out of there. Okay, so say $1 to, and I'm just using this as a simple reference. Okay, ultimately your first offer should be the lowest. Okay, and then what you do is you funnel them into like a next offer will go here. All right, say if they click on 1, it'll go here. Number 2, it'll go here. Number 3, it'll go here. Okay, now with that, you're gonna go and and it's gonna be some work. Okay, that'll be an offer 1, offer 2, and offer 3. Okay, and it's based on what they click on. Okay, so now what you need to set up first, before you start looking for traffic, before you start paying for ads for the traffic, okay, you're going to want to get your email marketing set up. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, email list program. I like Aweber. Okay, now you're going to want to make a multitude. All right, because what you do in Aweber and all these email things, okay, is you have what they call a broadcast, which you can schedule a broadcast, but that's something like you do manually. Okay, and then you have a series, okay, what they call a follow-up series. So they opt into their first email here. It's a welcome email, okay, and you gotta make this right. Okay, you gotta make it right. Your first email, and I'll have a template for you. Okay, I'll have a template for you and everything in my program. It's gonna welcome them. It's gonna tell them to put you on their whitelist, so check their spam folder and things like that. It's gonna have information about that. You're gonna tell them a little bit about your program. You're gonna tell them what to expect. Okay, and you're gonna have everything in there. How they're gonna contact you. You gotta be a legit business. Gotta be a legit business. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen is you're gonna, if you look over here, okay, if you look right over here, okay, where am I pointing? Can't even tell. In this email series here, right? Okay, I failed to do that in the beginning properly. Okay, and then I scrambled to get it done as people were signing up. And what these emails do, okay, like this one will be the first one. Let me check this again. Okay, the first email is going to be the welcome. Okay, then you're going to give value, and value. Okay, you don't want to sell them and throw them stuff right in their face. Okay, you don't want to sell them, so you do this, or excuse me, you do this part of it 2 times. Okay, you do it 2 times. Okay, and it's 10 emails. Okay, and you're not gonna put in a sale until here. Okay, so this one's going to be your upsell right here. Okay, upsell. right there. That's going to be your first one. All right. You don't want to throw that sales thing in their face. Okay. You don't want to throw that sales thing in their face. All right. And, you know, once you create these emails, okay, so say you spent, I don't know, 10 hours doing all 10 of these, okay, then you'll have some leverage, because here's what happens, okay, this one goes out 3 days after that one, okay, this one can go out 2 days after that one, 2 days after that one, 3 days, right? If you want 4 days, spend, say, over the weekend, okay, and that's going to go out another 4 days after, and then we're going to go 2 days, okay, and then we're going to go 1 day, and then we're going to go 2 days, and then we're going to go 3 days, okay, and what that allows you to do, so you count them, 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 18, 16, or let me do that again, sorry, stupid math thing going on. 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 18, 20, 21, 23, 26. Okay, so you're talking, you got 26 days now ahead of you from here. Okay, from here, you got 26 days now. And in that 26 days, you're going to be able to, okay, run this funnel from the beginning, okay, and it'll go from here to here, right? Goes from here to here. These all go back to the email, right? It all starts with the email. All right, so they'll sign up. They go to any one of these. You know, initial upsell. Whoops. Okay, this is your initial upsell. All right, upsell. You always want to funnel them in, right? Upsell, upsell. Okay. Once they get past here, they're going to be here. And once they're here, you have to give them value. You've got to give them that value. Good information, sound information. Have them, you know, encourage them to, you know, follow you in any way. Encourage them to ask you questions, give you feedback. You can even make an email where it goes to a lander page that you make, and you know, like in any one of these. And I would suggest you do it a lot. I do it all the time. Okay, let me see if I can bring one up here. Okay. Now this is, you know, I'm heavy into the woodworking niche. I made a lot of money off of it. Okay, and what I do is, if you could see up here, it says blog.get free woodworking plans. Okay, and you can do it any way you want, a subdirectory or a folder. Okay. But in these series of emails, I would send them to my pre-formatted page. Okay. This light's killing me. I feel like I'm under arrest over here. Alright, so let me do this. Okay. And of course, you know, this is going to be your thank you page. When they come here, your email, this is going to be your thank you page here. Okay. Clicking all over the place. Alright. And then you're going to have either the download. Okay. I do both. I put the download in their email and I send them here. And then I have, you know, a testimonial. Okay. So this is kind of like a sales page here. And that's fine. And you can funnel this any way you want. It's literally a funnel is what it is. Okay. So basically, these are vital things that you need to start, okay? But you need to do this ahead of time. Before you start paying for traffic, make sure you got all your ducks in a row. Do at least 10 of these, and then you'll have at least a month ahead of time, okay? And, you know, you provide good value, you give them good information, and then you hit them with the sale, okay? And you do that, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay? So, this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay? Got my new YouTube channel going. I'm an old DOS geek. I can show you a lot of great stuff. Okay? I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. If you want to hit that notification bell. Okay? Where we're going to put it, over here, wherever it's going to wind up on this video. Okay, and you go to rwcweb.com and shoot me your email. My tech support is if you sign up with me, my program, any of my affiliate sites, Aweber, Bluehost, WebStarts, okay, LL Secure, Dollar Web Hosting, any of those affiliate links that you click on my videos and you sign up, you shoot me a thing, let me know that you signed up. You got free tech support. If you need help going through making these landing pages and stuff like that, I shall certainly help. Okay? If I got to make it for you a template, that's fine too. That's no problem for me. Okay? So again, take care. Don't give up. Stay positive. Okay? One thing I learned a long time ago, I took a free seminar. And, of course, back then there was no internet. And the very first thing that this businessman taught us, okay, was you're in business to build a loyal customer. Okay? The money will come later. All right? That's why you're in business. You want to build a loyal customer. Old school tricks. Okay? Take care.